Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at VECHAIN or VET. VET is currently ranked at 43 with a market cap of about $2 billion. We are having a 24-hour volume of about $26 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for VECHAIN. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video, right? So VECHAIN in the last 1 week, we are down 6.8%, and in the last 24 hours we are up 0.6%, right? And so without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? And so we're on the chart right here for VECHAIN versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? And so for VECHAIN, we have been seeing it right here. We became bullish. We pushed above our bull market EMA, and as you can see, our bull market or our bullish EMA has been bullish. We saw that push right here. From where we became bullish on the channel, we're up 124% right here on our VECHAIN positions, right? I began to show you that we were seeing huge rejection signals right here, and as you can see, since then we have seen that rejection, right? So what is next right here for VECHAIN? We are expecting right here that VECHAIN comes back and retests this bull market EMA right here on the daily time frame before they see this sort of massive push to the upside, right? So we should expect to see VECHAIN have this sort of another correction right here, just of about shy of 14%, and then that could be a very good time to also accumulate even more VECHAIN, and then we could see this sort of massive bounce to the upside right here for VECHAIN, right? And I'll tell you why we are still favoring that we could still see one more push to the downside right here for VECHAIN before we see this sort of massive push to the upside right here for VECHAIN. One of the reasons right here is Bitcoin. As you know, Bitcoin is usually the king of the market, and whatever Bitcoin does, a lot of coins also do, right? If Bitcoin goes up, a lot of altcoin goes up, and if Bitcoin goes down, a lot of altcoins go down, right? And one of the patterns we have noticed right here is that every single time there is a cross on the MACD, the price of Bitcoin has to touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands before bouncing. As you can see right here, cross on the MACD, we touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and then bounce, right? Same thing right here. We saw this cross right here. We saw this cross on the MACD. We touched the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and then we bounced. Same thing right here. We saw the cross on the MACD, touched the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and then bounced, right? And so currently right here we have crossed on the MACD on the 3 days time frame, and if we are expecting to touch the Bollinger Band, we are expecting to see a push to the downside right here for Bitcoin of about to the $37,000, right? So that could mean the price of VECHAIN also could see this little pullback right here to retest our bull market EMA, and then we could see that sort of massive bounce to the upside, right? Another thing we also should consider is the volume profile. As you can see on the volume profile, we are still